I'm sorry you guys can't see here because you guys can see me better. But let me try if I could do it. Let me try. Just and this is gonna be my first video. And please subscribe to Star Squad. Oops. It didn't work, guys. I'm sorry. Whoosh. So this is gonna be first video. And please subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe. So today I'm gonna show you my slime collection. So let's get started. My slime collection, they're like almost really sticky, cause some of them we made them yesterday. So let's start. This one I made it yesterday. Look, I don't like this thing. Either way. Let's see if we could do a big bubble. Okay, that was not that big, but it is really congenial. Sorry for all that noise, guys. Here, I'm gonna pinch my. You guys can see me better. But that's still good. See. Guys, I just wanted to tell you that I don't know when I'm going to Legoland, but my dad said we're going to Legoland. I really can't wait to go. And like, we were going like tomorrow, but my sister said no and all that stuff. Cause it was like too hot here. Okay, let's stop cringiness and go. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, the next one is my favorite. It's just my favorite. Just like. That was a fail. Shut up. Sorry, guys. Okay, either way, you couldn't. Guys, I didn't buy them like other people do, and just put it in a container like me, but I don't buy. I made this one yesterday. Okay, I'm gonna show you after we're all done. This other one, so these three have the same color except this one, because I could put like a little bit of bluish. This one is really sticky. Not like 100%, but this one is really stretchy. I love this one so much. Oh, comment down below which one is more greatest one and which one is more crunchy one. Which was your favorite? Oh. So. Let's try it again. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next one is really hard. I did it like on Thursday. It's because I have it in my folder. Just gonna take them off. Why do they keep sticking to it? What was that? Okay. I don't remember. Okay. This one, it's like, they're all like really, this one is the most hardest one. And I put the spray to smell it. But it smells like I put it on minty. Because let's go see is green, right? I don't know if you guys can see. It's green and it has green sparkles. So yeah. Guys, I just wanted to tell you that I'm gonna be vlogging. I'm gonna be vlogging on my friend's birthday. That's gonna be on Sunday. Yeah. Okay, this one you can't switch it that much. Cause the guys, it farted. It farted again. It farted again. Okay, either way. So let's go on to the next one. This one I made it for my friend. His name is Malachi. And okay, that was spongy. Let's go on. My fingers are hurting a lot. And my stomach. Shoot, guys, I was making some waffle and it's almost bad. Let me go. You guys hear that? Why? got my waffle. It's like so close. This is my waffle. It's to eat, not what I want. Let's just continue. What?
The boss of my dad called it together called Dumbo to my dad.
First of all, my dad is not a dumb. And second of all, he's dumb. Cause not my dad. So Palad is dumb because he doesn't hear as good. And he's always saying things that he's not supposed to.
He's dumb because he can't hear. And he's a bow because he's like every time go on Dumbo.
You know I'm blogging and this is going to YouTube.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Watch. Okay, let's go on to the next one. You can be here, sister. So, guys, this is my sister, Patricia. Don't judge her from the shirt she has.
It's only my pajamas. I have more, but there's the only one I found.
Okay.
So don't judge me. Why are you so sticky, sister?
Ma?
Why are they so sticky?
I don't know.
No, this is the most that's not sticky.
I know. I love this one.
I love this one.
I love this one so much.
Why? Because it's sticky. My sister only likes sticky
Guys,
slimes.
this smells like Ariel. I don't know if you guys...
Yeah, because I accidentally, by accident, I thought it was mine. Because I asked some
Ah!
Ariel by accident. I asked some Ariel. Sorry, Jessica. This one
Guys.
smells like Ariel too.
They're like...
¿Sabes que esta Nayeli le hace así la hacía?
Yeah, she goes like...
Y también ella le hace así
she's crazy.
all the way up.
That's why she likes Malachi.
Huh?
You guys saw that?
What? Did you know something?
No, I did. I didn't know nothing.
You want me to tell you?
Yeah.
Malachi and me is in a team, but Nayeli's by herself.
That's
You know
all.
why? You know why?
Why?
Because Nayeli, Malachi used to
Like Nayela and they went out.
no. Malachi used to. Because that day that we left for vacations, that we did that big party, Malachi said to do a prank to Nayeli. And Nayeli said, ask Malachi who did he like more. And then I asked, who do you like more? And then he said, none. And then I said, well, who do you like? And then he's like, I like Nayeli, but no, I like Jessica, but pretending I like Nayeli for Nayeli stop bothering me.
She bothers too much.
I know, you know why?
Cause she, like, from the first day that she saw him, she was in true love from her heart. She was like this. Look, I like that boy that's right there. I'm like,
Ugh.
why are you even hugging me? I'm not even your friend. What the hell?
Why do you always have to be mean to me?
Because I don't like her.
I don't
She's so
like it
sassy.
either.
She's
I don't
like,
like her either, but I have to play with her. But she can know that I am her friend. Because right now she said that she's pretending to be your friend.
okay. I'm pretending to be her friend too. Okay, guys. Please.
Who are more friends, Nayeli or Malachi?
More friend. Who is my best friend? Malachi. I don't like a bunch of Nayeli.
that bunch. That much.
So I'm just going to eat, guys, a waffle, and please subscribe. On Sunday, I'm going to make another video.
Right now, I'm playing with my sister.